Hey guys, I'm Jonathan and today I make a scooter check. I start from the top to the bottom. ODI grips in red, pretty soft. Blunt bar ends in red. Then Brandon Smith bar in blue. Chili SCS in black. FSA headset without a top cap. Spins really nice. Blue Cubas V2 fork. Cool design. I like it. And two red MGP packs. Two Anaconda wheels in black with a red core. And then I have a Anaconda whip deck, special for the skate park. I like it with the Anaconda flex brake. Yes, and Skate Factory grip tape. Very good. Yep, that was my scooter check, and I hope you like it. And yes, see you. Bye.